Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I originally was going to film again using the Mothership Mega Celestial Divinity palette, but today I feel like playing with her sister, the Celestial Odyssey palette. And you guys, this is my first impressions, by the way, and I am in love with this palette already. First of all, the quality of this is a little bit more superior. Very hard exterior. It feels much more weighted compared to this one. This one's like flimsy. The strings on the side fell apart on its own. I don't know if this is gonna happen for this one. I don't mind that the strings came off. I can't really pull this mirror down further, so I think these straps are just annoying. But in any case, the palette itself feels much more sturdier. I like the fact that she's not using cardboard or anything. It's just a hard lacquer plastic inside inside the casing, and then of course she added the logo in the middle. I feel like with the space you can add another shade in here if she wanted to. But in any case, I really love the color story of this holiday release, 2021 I believe. And I created a very kind of like a neutral look with a pop of teal at the bottom of my lash line. And I really love how my look turned out. This is the type of look I'm comfortable with for daily wear, and I would definitely go out like this. My first impressions, and I am enjoying this palette so far. So if you guys want to see how I created this eye makeup look, then please keep on watching. So let's get you guys close to my eyes and we'll get started. So many gorgeous colors. I'm just going to do a tutorial on one eye on camera and then do the other eye off camera. I think I'm going to be adding false lashes for this tutorial. Maybe even adding contacts at some point, but we'll see. I'm gonna go in with this brown shade right here, Sunrose Amber. I'm pretty sure that's what it's called. So again, I'm gonna use my Refer's number 14 brush. Super pigmented. I'm just building this color up slowly. And then for my lid shade, I'm gonna go in with this rose pinky glittery tone. This is called Heavenly Body. So beautiful. And then for inner tear duct, I'm going to go in with Galactic Glow. So I'm just going to deepen out my outer corners a bit more. I'm going to go in with Bronze Eclipse. Kind of just placing that shade in a tapping motion. Kind of fanning it outwards. And for my lower lash line, I'm gonna go in with this beautiful teal color, and I believe this is called Nirvana. And it's a little bit too intense, so I'm just going to blend it out. So that's basically it. I'm going to finish my other eye, put some falsies, a liner, and then I'll be right back. So I hope you guys enjoy that brief tutorial. It is a really simple palette. If you're a fan of neutral eyeshadows, you will definitely love this palette. I don't know if you can still get this palette on McGrath. I think it might be out of stock for some reason. I know that her limited edition palettes are usually, when it's out of stock, it's completely out of stock, unless if she feels like bringing it back again. That's really totally up to her. I think this is already gone out of stock. Correct me if I'm wrong. Yeah, so I highly recommend getting this palette, or getting your hands on this palette if you guys see that it is back in stock on the McGrath website. I would definitely recommend it. I can't wait to do more looks using this palette because I am just in love with this color scheme, and I can definitely see myself reaching for this palette over and over again. And the reason why I want to create, you know, separate the makeup looks and makeup tutorials with these palettes over and over again on my channel, because I'm trying to use the products that I have already in my collection, and I just don't want to now release just one makeup video or one makeup tutorial for each and every single one of my eyeshadow palettes. I want to release at least up to 10 videos using the same palette over and over again. And if you guys don't like that, then you can click out and subscribe to my channel. It's totally up to you. I appreciate to those who have left likes, comments, and you know, bother subscribing to my channel. I really appreciate that. Anyway, so these are my final thoughts on this palette. I absolutely love it. I will recommend it, and I really love the outcome of my eye makeup look today. It is so pigmented, it's so easy to blend, and I had no fuss, no fallout or anything like that using the Mothership Mega Celestial Odyssey palette. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.